Now I'm going to show you a couple of sample problems on equivalent ratios from page 138, practice 4.2. And this is where they're asking you if they are equivalent to each other, the two ratios. So you have to write yes or no. And the first one that I'm going to do is number 11. It's the ratio of 7 to 11 and 21 to 33. Well, you can't simplify 7 to 11. 21 to 33, you can divide both of these numbers by 3. And so we get 7 and 11. So you can see that they are the same. So you'd write yes. And number 13, 15 to 20 and 20 to 25. I can divide both of these numbers by 5. And I get 3 to 4 ratio. You can do the same thing over here. You can divide both of these by 5. And I get 4 to 5. Is a 3 to 4 ratio the same thing as a 4 to 5 ratio? No.